So students, today I am going to start a new chapter. It is inorganic chemistry in Unit 7, P block elements. What are P block elements? P block elements, the elements in which the added electrons enter into outer p orbitals are called as p block elements. The elements from group 13 to group 18 in the periodic table belongs to the p block. General electronic configuration of the p block elements is noble gas followed by any one noble gas or group 18 element. Noble gas electronic configuration followed by NS2, NP1 to 6. Except helium, it is a general electronic configuration, not for helium, for period 1. In period 1, there are only two elements, hydrogen and helium, because helium is a p block element. Helium has electronic configuration 1s2, atomic number 2. So it is not applicable for helium. NS2 is a general electronic configuration. Except that period 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 general electronic configuration is the noble gas followed by NS2, NP6. For example, it is group 13 starts with p block element starts with group 13 to group 13 means general electronic configuration. S orbitals are completely filled. NS2. Here N is the numbers, principal quantum number. Period indicates that period. S orbitals. S orbitals are completely filled. P orbitals are 1. NP1. For 13 group elements. For 14 group, NS2, NP2. General electronic configuration. For 15, NS2, NP3. Here completely filled S orbital, completely off filled p orbital, because p orbitals are 3, electrons are 6. Here completely off filled means p orbitals are 3. 1, 2, 3. Completely off filled. 1, 2, 3. So that more stable compared to 13 and 14. And group 15, 16, general electronic configuration NS2, NP4. 17, NS2, NP5. NS2, NP5. Group 17 elements, general bond. For group 18, NS2, NP6. 1 to 6. Completely filled S orbitals, completely filled p orbitals. So here 1 to 6 indicates 6 groups. Group 13 to group 18 are called as p block elements. Once again the definition: elements in which these are all elements in which added electrons enter into outer p orbitals, NP1, NP2, NP3, NP4, NP5, NP6. Outer added electrons enter into outer p orbitals are called as p block elements. General electronic configuration, noble gas followed by NS2, NP1 to 6. Now, in the previous classes, in the 11th standard, we have learned about p block, S block elements. There are two groups, group 1 and group 2. S block. Group 1 and group 2. Alkali metals alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Like that, p block elements also studied. P block elements that 13 group elements and 14 group elements. It is a boron family and it is carbon family. Some important components of boron, some important components of carbon, and other types of carbon. Yes. And continue the first PUC chapters that after the 14 group, 15 group elements, 16 group elements, 17 group elements, 18 group elements will be studied in second PUC. Now start with the 15 group elements because 13, 14 and group 1, 2 these are all studied in first PUC. Now group 15 elements, chapter name is group P block elements. In that group 15 elements, easy to remember group 15 elements, easy to remember M pass B. And group 15 elements are commonly called the nitrogen family because first family member is nitrogen. So it is called, all the groups members are called as a nitrogen family and commonly called decogens. Easy to remember M pass B. N nitrogen, P is phosphorus, S arsenic, Sb antimony, bismuth, Br bismuth. N pass B. It is easy to remember the group 15 elements, commonly called nitrogen family and decogens. What are the elements present in group 15 elements? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So, elements are nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, arsenic, As, antimony, Sb, bismuth, Br. And atomic numbers of the group 15 elements: nitrogen atomic number 7, phosphorus atomic number 15, arsenic atomic number 33. It's under period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5 and 6. Antimony 51, bismuth 83 atomic numbers. And atomic mass: nitrogen atomic mass 14, nearly equal to multiply by 2 of the atomic number. Phosphorus 30.97, arsenic 74.92, and antimony 121.75, bismuth 208.98. General electron configuration of the nitrogen family members: nitrogen, helium followed by helium is atomic number 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 2s2, 2p3, 2s2, 2p3. And the electron configuration of phosphorus atomic number 15, neon followed by, neon is 10, neon electron configuration followed by 3s2, 3p6, sorry 3p3 is, and arsenic argon followed by 3d10, 4s2, 4p3, antimony 51 atomic number, so krypton followed by 4d10, 5s2, 5p6, bismuth atomic number 83, xenon electronic configuration followed by entire 4f orbitals, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p3. Here also last outermost electrons enter into ns2, np2. Outermost orbitals. The added electrons enter into outer p orbitals. All the outer orbitals are p. So these are all p block elements. Along with the p block elements, they form group 15 because general formula ns2, np2. ns2, np3. So as clear regarded group 15 elements. 3s2 3p3, 4s2 4p3, 5s2 5p3, 6s2 6p3. General formula N(s)2 Np3. It indicates that completely filled s orbitals. S orbitals are also completely filled. P orbitals are half filled. Completely filled means 6. These are completely half filled. Completely filled means 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Completely half filled. Completely filled means 6. One orbital having 2 electrons maximum. It is a completely filled. But if those are not completely filled, half filled. Every orbital having simply occupied electrons. P orbital. P orbitals are half filled. So electronic configuration is extra stable. Extra stable compared to group 13 and 14 elements. Valency cell electronic configuration of group 15 is NS2, Np3. And nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. These two are non-metals. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals, and arsenic and antimony are metalloids. Mr. Lower, metalloids. Metalloids, and last one, this one is the metal. This one is the metal. Next, occurrence. Occurrence of group 15 elements. Availability. Nitrogen. Nitrogen occurs as a diatomic molecule N2. All the gases are available in the nature as a diatomic molecule. N2 molecular nitrogen comprises, and it is available in 78% by volume of the atmosphere. 78% is the highest in the atmosphere. Second one, in the earth crust. In the earth crust, it occurs as a sodium nitrate, NO3, sodium Na, as Na are nitrogen. NaNO3 and NO3, sodium nitrate is called Chile's saltpeter. It is one of the mineral. That mineral containing N2, nitrogen. From that mineral, we can isolate the nitrogen. And also, nitrogen available occurs present in Indian saltpeter, that is in Bengal. Potassium nitrate is the name. Potassium K, nitrate NO3. Potassium nitrate. Here also it is one of the mineral. From this mineral, we have to isolate N. Nitrogen can be separated from potassium nitrate. This is one of the mineral found in the Bengal, where fourth nitrogen found in the forms of proteins in plants and animals. Next one, phosphorus. Phosphorus occurs in minerals of the apatite family. That is formula, general formula Ca9PO4 6. Calcium hexaphosphate CaX2, where X may be fluorine or hydroxide. If, for example, X is F, fluorapatite, formula is same, Ca9PO4 6. Ca(F2) called as a fluoropatite. It is a apatite formula family, and here X is F, fluorapatite, which are main components of the phosphate rocks. And phosphorus is an essential constituent of animals and plants matter. For example, 60% of our bone teeth are made of phosphorus. Teeth, and it is also present in living cells. Also present, phosphorus is present in milk, eggs, etc. Phosphoproteins are present in milk and egg. After that, nitrogen and phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth are very little quantity. Found in sulfide minerals, BiS2, bismuth sulfide, like that, sulfide minerals. The group 15 elements such as bismuth, antimony and arsenic can be isolated from the sulfide mineral. General properties of group 15 elements. First general property is electronic configuration. And the second general property is atomic radii and ionic radii. General electronic configuration of group 15 elements, it's already over. Second general property is atomic and ionic radii. Radius singular, radii plural. Now, if you compare the covalent radius and ionic radius of the group 15 elements, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. See here, covalent radius and ionic radius of the respective group 15 elements. Nitrogen 70, phosphorus 110, arsenic 121, antimony 141, bismuth 148. Increases go down the group. Whether covalent or ionic, increases go down the group up to nitrogen to phosphorus. Again it is decreases and increases. Why this is happening? Because there is a presence of completely filled d orbitals or f orbitals. Is observed when you see the electronic configuration of the group 15 elements. There is a presence of heavier members of d of elements, d10 and f14 elements also. So that this is the changes, considerable changes when occurring from nitrogen to phosphorus. 17 changes to 110 because entering of 3d orbitals, 3d, d10 orbitals and arsenic and 4d. Here f orbitals enters. So that considerable changes will occur. This is also explained by the covalent and ionic radius increases in size because atomic number increases while go down the group. Increase in the size, go down the group. There is a considerable changes in the covalent radius. Nitrogen to phosphorus, from arsenic to bismuth, only a small change, 121, 141, 148. Only small change because in covalent radius, because presence of completely filled d orbital or f orbitals. And then next, ionization enthalpy and electronegativity. Those are also general properties of group 15 elements. Now the third property, ionization enthalpy, i.e. What is ionization enthalpy? The minimum energy required to remove outermost electrons. The minimum energy required to remove the outermost electrons is called ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy in group 15 elements, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, decreases down the group, L into Bi, down the group due to gradual increase in atomic size. Gradual increase in atomic size Why atomic size increases? Atomic number increases. Size increases. Atomic size increases. Increases because the extra stable half filled p orbital electronic configuration. Half filled electronic configuration that is ns2 and np3. Half filled p orbitals of the electronic configuration and smaller the size. This is the reason why ionization enthalpy decreases down the road. Let's say in the table, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. First ionization enthalpy, second ionization enthalpy, third ionization enthalpy values. If you consider the values 14, here 28 and 40, it means it is a increases number, so that the order of successive ionization enthalpy as expected. Third ionization enthalpy is higher than that of the second. Second is higher than that of the first one. Electronegativity. Fourth general property. Electronegativity of the group 50 elements decreases down the group with the increasing atomic size. As atomic size increases, electronegativity decreases because positiveness increases. First of all, in nitrogen it is a 3, phosphorus 2.1, arsenic 2.0, antimony 1.9. After coming the heavier elements, there is no considerable changes, so that it is decreases down the group because increase in the atomic size. So all general properties: electronic configuration, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity. Electronic configuration.